Like a boss.
All right, ladies. So let's talk about the the mindset that high value men respect and deters manipulators. All right. Look, man. Um, sorry about that. 1 second. You see, when a woman is detached from a guy, it's easy to manipulate a guy when you don't care about him, right? Isn't it easy? It's very easy to control a guy when you don't care about him. But when you care about the guy, all of a sudden your powers go away and you become the one who can easily be manipulated. And at the same time, you sort of lose that extra attractive punch, that edge that the guys whom you don't like see in yourself, right? And it causes high value men to not respect you that much. So this is what you got to do, right? The first thing is you got to have a list of things you will or will not accept from men. That's going to set the that's what's going to set the momentum. In other words, that's what's going to give you that strength of character. This is what I mean, right? I have certain things I will or will not accept from women, right? There are some things that if you do, I'm gonna play you. I'm gonna fucking play you. See what I'm saying? There are some things if you do certain things to me, I am gonna play you, right? And if you're, if, for example, like if women are 30 minutes late on a date, I just leave. Like honestly, if you're gonna be 30 minutes late, let's just do it some other time. If a woman is always gonna talk about her ex to me, I'm gonna tell her, look, man, like I prefer for you not to talk about your ex around me, right? To the point that if she keeps doing it, I'll leave, right? If a woman wants to start an argument and be disrespectful in my house, I'll tell her to leave until she calms down, right? Like you gotta have things based on your past that you found disrespectful that you're not gonna let repeat again. You see what I'm saying? You gotta have things in you in things that people that you say to yourself, if this person does this, I will leave. If this person does that, I will leave. And think back in your life. Think in moments when you got manipulated. Think in the moments in your life when you got played. And remember, what were the first signs that you were about to be played? What were the first signs that somebody is about to make you look like a fool? Look for the first signs, right? What were how was this person acting? How was this person's demeanor? And make a memory bank about it, right? And just vow to never let that happen again. In other words, if I see this, I will do this, and have a list of consequences. If a guy wants to dump you, right? If a guy wants to dump you and take you back, you can't let that happen. So you could say that if a guy dumps you once, in order to get back to me, you gotta lick me. I told motherfucker, man. Like some guys out there will make women lick their asses. All right. Some guys, me, if a woman leaves and wants to come back, she's gonna have to do something to make it up to me. She's gonna have to. You can't just leave me and come back and do nothing. You can't just come back like nothing happened. You're gonna have to make it up to me somehow. You see what I'm saying? You're gonna have to make it up to me. So having this kind of mindset as a guy, I could sense your strength. As a guy, I could sense that, like, I could sense that there are limits. I could sense that. I could sense your boundaries. And when people feel your boundaries, their respect for you rises. It's just what it is. Their respect for you rises when people sense your boundaries. You see what I'm saying? And that's all you gotta do, man. You gotta have, because this is what happens, man. If you don't have this, if you don't, by the way, I have, today's the last day to get 20% off my online courses, only for Valentine's Day. There's a discount down below. This is what happens, man. If you don't do this, your decision making will be based on emotions. You're gonna make your decisions based on emotions, right? And what's gonna happen once you do that, once you make your decisions based on emotions, all of a sudden you become easily manipulated because the manipulator requires you to be emotional in order to manipulate you. You see what I'm saying? So what you want to do is have the utmost rationality, and you develop rationality through thinking long term, through analyzing the past, through strategizing for the future. That's how you develop rationality, through analyzing the past and strategizing for the future. It'll give you that relaxation. It'll give you that calmness because you know where you're going because you made a plan. You analyze the past and you know where you're going into the future. You see? And this is how you deal with life in general, man. Like, Like, this is how you avoid being in bad situations, being manipulated, being dependent on other people, by planning it out, by not letting yourself get in that position anymore, by analyzing what are the first signs that this is gonna happen. Does that make sense? Nah, it doesn't make sense to you or some of you guys. Alright, ladies, I have a seminar next weekend. Come to the seminar. You could purchase the tickets on the description down below. I have a few tickets left. It's not that many left, but you can purchase it on the description down below. And if you need one-on-one coaching, you know where to go. Happy Valentine. Happy Side Chick Day. Peace out.
All right, ladies. So finally, I have released my second course for women, which is natural chemistry. This course is a 5-week course. 5-week course where every week you're gonna get a new set of videos based on specific issues. This course is all about how to create and maintain the attraction in any man. This will help you create love. This will help you deepen the love with your man. This is not about manipulation. This is not about playing games. This is genuine natural chemistry. No more short-term partners, no more being fooled. Why? Because I will reveal to you not only how to create attraction in the first week, but also how to understand male nature, how to understand their tricks, how to prevent from being too attached, signs that he's the wrong guy, signs that he's a narcissist, signs that he's a mama's boy, signs that he's an emotionally available guy, emotionally unavailable guy. We go over everything. We go over this third week, setting boundaries. We go over the third week, controlling your emotions, right? Setting boundaries, fourth week. Fifth week, embracing your masculine and the feminine, right? And on top of that, I have over 10 different bonuses. 10 different bonuses, my Lord have mercy, right? With a money back guarantee. The bonus are: one, the natural chemistry, over 10 hours of content, right? The breakup formula, how to deal with a breakup, right? The connecting with your man, right? Establishing a life of abundance, social mastery, understanding your dark side, the goal setting seminar, which is about how to set and achieve goals, practical mastery that will teach you how to master anything, the laws of human nature. I have a book club for the laws of human nature with over 4 hours of content, right? The transformational seminar in a pocket, which is my mindfulness seminar, and the Chase audiobook. This originally is $1,800, but you get it starting at $97, ladies and gentlemen, right? $97. We have different packages, but all of this starts at $97. And you know what? You can check it out for free if you want. Yeah, for all the freeloaders, I have free videos just for you. Free videos, all right? So you could just check it out for free, and then you could get out. Nothing wrong with that, all right? So, and on top of that, it comes with a 30-day money-back guarantee. No questions asked. That's right. No questions asked. I don't mind. I just want you guys to check it out, because I know when you take one look, you're going to want to buy it. I can promise you. Just like my other course, the psychological game of attraction, it was a hit. You're gonna love this one. This one is not about manipulation. This is genuine natural chemistry. Order it now. All right. I'll see you guys inside. Peace out.